Solving exponential equation. Number 1. 3 to the power 2x minus 1 equals to 3 to the power x plus 2. We know once base are same, it means a to the power m equals to a to the power n. That time the power will be equal. It means m equals to n. In here also same thing, the base are same, so we can write 2x minus 1 equals to x plus 2. Now we can subtract both side by x, so it will be 2x minus x, and we are adding both side by 1, so 2 plus 1. Finally we get 2x minus x, it means x equals to 2 plus 1, 3. This is our answer. So number 1 done. Question 2. 2 to the power 3x equals to 4 to the power x plus 2. This one, the left side will be unchanged, it means 2 to the power 3x. And this 4 we can write 2 square, and here is x plus 2, right? Now look, base are same, so power will be equal. We can write 3x equals to here 2 times x, 2x plus 4. Now we are subtracting both sides by 2x, so 3x minus 2x equals to 4. And finally x equals to 4. This is our answer. Very simple. Number 3. 3 to the power 2x minus 1 equals to 1 divide 9. So this one we can write 3 to the power 2x minus 1, and this 9, 1 by 9 we can write 1 divide 3 square. Now 3 to the power 2x minus 1, we know as per negative exponent, it means 1 divide a to the power n, we can write a to the power minus n. So this one is a 3 to the power minus 2 as per negative exponent. Now base are same, so power will be equal, so we can write 2x minus 1 equals to minus 2. Now we are adding both sides by 1, so 2x equals to minus 2 plus 1. Now here is a 2x equals to minus 2 plus 1, it means minus 1. Now we are dividing both sides by 2, so x equals to minus 1 by 2. And this is our answer. Very simple. So question 1, 2, 3 done. Question 4. 4 to the power x plus 1 equals to 8 to the power 2x plus 3. How can we solve this one? There are lots of ways we can solve this one, but the smart way, like 4 we can write 2 square, it means x plus 1. 2 times x plus 1. And this 8 we can write 2 to the power 3, and here will be 2x plus 3. Right? Now look, the base are same, it means power will be equal. 2 times x plus 1 equals to 3 times 2x plus 3. So this case we know a to the power m equals to a to the power n, means m equals to n. What does mean? It means once base are same, that time the power will be equal. Now we can expand this bracket, so 2x plus 2 equals to 3 times 2 is 6 plus 9, right? Now very simple, we can subtract both sides by 6x, so it will be 2x minus 6x equals to 9, and we are subtracting both side by 2, so it will be minus 2. And here will be minus 6x equals to 9 minus 2 is a 7. Now we are dividing both side by minus 6, so x equals to minus 7 by 6. This is our answer. So this video I am trying to solve 4 math based on exponential equation. Next video we will start from number 5 and try to solve lots of math. Till then, take care, keep practice, and just remember, practice makes perfect. So this video is very important for any kinds of grade, especially grade 9 to 10, and it's also important for algebra 2. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.